students, in lesson number 4 we have studied alphabet keys, number keys, space bar keys, caps lock keys and enter keys. You remember alphabet key used to type alphabets in document. We are typing poem, story. We use number keys to type numbers, and we use space bar key. Space bar key is the longest key used to give space between the letters. And children, when we are writing paragraph, sometimes we need to just type in the another line, next line. So we use enter key to come to the next line. Next line में आने के लिए हम enter key को use करते हैं. And children, caps lock key, we use caps lock key to type in capital letters. Children, caps lock key is working when we press caps lock key once and caps lock light is turned on. जब caps lock key को one time press करने पर caps lock key की light on हो जाती है, then letters comes in the capital letter. But if we press again caps lock key, light will be turned off, and if we type letters they come in a small letters. अगर हम again caps lock key को press करते हैं तो caps lock key की light off हो जाएगी and letters will come in a small letters. Okay children? So these key we studied. Now today we will study some other special keys. First we will start with arrow keys. Children, there are 4 arrow keys on a keyboard. See, arrow keys are placed just near the numeric keypad. Okay, it is you have seen a rectangular border is there. So children, there are 4 arrow keys: up arrow key, down arrow key, left arrow key and right arrow key. And these arrow keys are used to move the cursor on the screen. Okay, and arrow keys are also known as a cursor control keys. इनको cursor control keys भी कहते हैं. First children, see use of up arrow key. Children, up arrow key has a arrow pointing towards top side, जिसमें arrow upper side में point कर रहा है, is used to take the cursor up in the document. See in this picture, cursor is in the last 4th number line, and if you want to take the cursor to first number line, second number line, we press up arrow key and one by one cursor moves to the third number line, second number line and first number line. Children, again remember, cursor is what? A blinking vertical line. You see in this picture there is a cursor and it moves when we are typing. Next type of key is down arrow key. Children, down arrow key works just opposite of up arrow key. See, cursor is right now in the first line. Cursor first line. If you want to take it to the second line, we have to press down arrow key in the document. Third is children left arrow key. This key move the cursor to the left side in the document. Suppose see the cursor is near the has word. Cursor अभी right now कहाँ है? Has word के पास में. And if you want to take the cursor to the left side, we have to press slowly left arrow key. Children, opposite of left arrow key is a right arrow key. Right arrow key is doing what? Right arrow key move the cursor to the right side. Suppose the cursor is in the left side, see near the software word. If you want to take to the right side, we have to press right arrow key. So this way we can move the cursor in our document. Next type of key we have to study is children backspace key. Backspace key and delete key. Children, when we are writing something in the copy with a pencil, what we do? If suppose we have written something wrong, we use eraser. हम eraser से erase करते हैं and we again type. But when we are typing on computer and if you want to erase some text, letters or spellings, what we will do? We will use backspace key and delete key children. Backspace key erase the letters from the left side of cursor. As I told you, कर्सर इज अ वर्टिकल लाइन, तो वर्टिकल लाइन के लेफ्ट साइड में इरेज करने के लिए वी यूज बैक स्पेस की चिल्ड्रन. एंड सी राइट नाउ द कर्सर इज बिटवीन लाइक एंड दिल्ली वर्ड and if we press backspace key slowly, so we will find out it will erase from left side, like K and E are erased from the word. And delete key works, children, right side of the cursor. It also erase, but erase from the right side of the cursor. In this case, arrow key, delete key will delete D and E, है ना, from Delhi word. So both the keys are used to erase the text from the document. Next type of keys are punctuation keys. Children, punctuation marks are symbols that we use when we are writing a paragraph or a sentence, है ना. Some punctuation are like full stop we use, comma, है ना, question mark, exclamation mark. So if we want to just use these punctuation symbols, marks, we have to press the punctuation keys. See the example. Suppose we are writing keyboard is input device. In that we want to put the full stop, so we use full stop mark punctuation key. Ram, Sham and Ravi are friends. In that case we have to put a comma between Ram and Sham. So here the comma punctuation key is working. Who are you? After that we need a question mark. So we use question mark. Wow, we need exclamation mark. So when we need these marks or symbols, we have to press the punctuation keys in our document. Combination keys. Children, apart from the typing keys like alphabet key, type alphabets, number keys used to type numbers, punctuation keys used to mark the punctuations, है ना. There are some other keys that only works with the combination of another key to perform some operation like shift, control and alter. ये कीज किसी और की के साथ प्रेस करते हैं तो बेटा ये कुछ ऑपरेशन परफॉर्म करते हैं, like shift key. Children, carefully see on a keyboard there are two shift key, okay, and shift key is used with a combination of other keys, especially used to type the punctuation mark present on the upper part of the keys. On some keys there are, like on number keys, number key has a numbers and on upper part number keys has a some sign. So if we want to put the sign in our text, we have to use shift key with them, okay children. How can we use a shift key? See, these are the number keys. Suppose you can see the key that has a 5 number has a percent sign, and if we want to just put the percent sign, है ना, then we use shift key with the 5 number key. How we will do? First we will press the shift key, we will hold down it, है ना, we will not release our finger from it, and same time after that we will press 5. So we will find out that when we press the 5 with shift key, children, 5 will not come in the typing area, percent sign आएगा. जब हम शिफ्ट की को प्रेस करके रखेंगे और उसके साथ हम 5 को दबाएंगे, शिफ्ट की से फिंगर हटानी नहीं है ना, वी यूज़ अनदर फिंगर टू प्रेस 5, तो देन 5 विल नॉट कम. 5 की प्लेस पर जो उसकी अपर पार्ट में सिंबल है परसेंट साइन, it will come in the document. And children, shift key also used opposite of caps lock key. When caps lock key is off, है ना, जब caps lock key work नहीं कर रही, और if we want to type in capital letters, then we can use shift key and the alphabet key. So whatever we will type comes in the capital letters. For example, we are writing apple word, और एप्पल वर्ड को हमको कैपिटल लेटर्स में लिखना है चिल्ड्रन, लेकिन हमने कैप्स लॉक की का यूज़ नहीं किया है. कैप्स लॉक लाइट इज टर्न ऑफ, लाइट ऑफ है क्योंकि हम कैप्स लॉक की अभी हमने प्रेस नहीं की. तो वी कैन प्रेस शिफ्ट की, वी विल होल्ड डाउन इट एंड देन वन बाय वन विल प्रेस A, P 2 times, L and E. अगर हम शिफ्ट की के साथ A, P एंड L, E कीज़ को प्रेस करेंगे तो एप्पल वर्ड जो होगा चिल्ड्रन वो कैपिटल लेटर्स में आएगा। और अगर कैप्स लॉक की ऑन है, इफ द कैप्स लॉक की इज ऑन, then shift key help us to type in small letters. Another type of combination key is control key. Normally it is marked as CTRL, and this keys also work with the other keys like control plus home. Children, if we press control key, hold down it and press home key, then it take our cursor to the top of the document. Okay, and if we press control and end, we press control key, hold down it and press end key, then in our document our cursor will come directly to the end of the document. And one more type of combination key is present on the keyboard is Alter key, marked as ALT. And children, it also used with the combination of other keys like Alter plus F4. If we press Alter key and then we press F4 key, then it is help us to close our program. Whenever we have finished our work, and if you want to close the program, we can use Alter and F4 key together. And Control plus Alter plus Delete key, 3 keys if you press in combination, then we can shut down a computer, children. So these are the special keys we use in our typing. Please revise these keys. Thank you.